Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take a little lacquer thinner. I put the lacquer thinner in the cap. All you do is clean it up. Then you take your Sweet Project Cars Super Duper air nozzle. This dries it out real quick. Then to get our initial set, when you can, put your super glue on your part. Hold it in place. As you know, just gluing this on, that part will never ever stay glued there. Hold it for about 10-15 seconds.
3 hours later.
It's on. As I said, it'll never stay. That's too weak of a point, so we're going to take the next step. Now, while that is setting a little bit longer, I'm going to share with you, I know this eventually here will break off, so we're going to take care of that issue right now. First thing we're going to do, put it at the top, let it run down, take your scribe, help it to get around in there. Then you take your baking soda, we'll let that take a set, and now we'll do this side. And I will guarantee you this will not break again. Yes, you could break it with a hammer. All right, now that is all set. We're going to let that set, and then we'll tap out this extra powder and do one more layer on it. All right, let's tap that out now. It's sat long enough. And you can do this on a paper plate. We just shake this off when we're done. Let's do it again. All right, now we'll fill both these up at the same time. Do the same exact thing. And you always want to put more in than you need. And I like to press it down in there when you can do this. A lot of times you can't. All right. And once that's set, we'll knock it off, take a brush off the extra we don't need, and then we'll put a little touch-up spray paint on it for plastic, make it look a little bit better than it does. I'll show you what it looks like when we're all done with it. All right, we got her done. We put a little bit of primer on it just to see where we need to file it, and you can file it down, you can sand it down, you can do whatever you need to do with your rat tail file. Now we're going to spray it with our color, and that'll go away. You'll never see it again. Part will work great. They both have the same, because that's how they stay locked in, is they both have the same angle out. There it is, my friends, all done. Works like a charm.